Hello everyone! Today I'm creating a gel ring with a big diamond in an aquarium technique. If you are interested, please join me and consider subscribing. And welcome to DashaNailArt's channel. Let's get started. Initially, I wanted to set this stone on my nails, but I actually like the French without any additions. The stone is so beautiful, the nails match its color, and I still wanted to use it, so I decided to make a ring. To make the base for the ring the right size, I took 3 extension forms. There are forms for different shapes, like stiletto or oval, but for convenience I'm using a form with straight lines. I cut off the tops of the forms, overlapped them together so that the lines coincide. Cut off the excess material. I will roll the form into a tube. Adjust the diameter of the tube to the size of the ring that I wear on my middle finger and make a mark on the form. To temporarily secure the form, I cut the corners of the template's linen paper and connect it. I'm trying to fit it, but the size is smaller than I need, so I expand the form by 1 mm at a time until it fits. After deciding on the size, I'll tape the inside and outside of the form. Next, I'll need to mark the size of the stone on the form. I put a point on the form from which I deduct half the size from the height of the stone, then from the width. Connect the dots. Making sure the stone will fit. So that the ring is not so wide and doesn't look bulky, I'll narrow the width to 8 mm with a smooth line. I stretch the clear builder gel around the form in a thin layer, filling in the markings I made on the form. Cure for 30 seconds. Rotate the form in the lamp so the light gets to all sides. For the background, I'm using the same colors I used for my nails. Apply them randomly and lightly mix them. Cure for 30 seconds. With a white sculpting gel, I randomly put volume lines. Then I put a plastic wrap and press it into the white gel. Cure for 60 seconds. Remove the plastic. I'll mix clear gel with the colors I used for the background and fill the dimples. In my previous video, I described in detail how to make such an aquarium design on the nails and how to create a modern almond shape extension. The link to the video is in the description. Cure for 60 seconds. Next, I'm applying a thin coat of clear gel on the ring, just to make it sticky. And then I'm putting different shiny flakes, glitters and gold foil. Cure for 30 seconds. Now I'm sealing the aquarium with a thick layer of clear gel. I rotate the ring to level the gel, then I cure it for 60 seconds while rotating it. Add a second layer of the gel to fill any gaps. Remove the sticky layer and take the ring off the form. First, I'll file the ring with an E-file. Level the edge, but don't forget about the extension for the stone, so don't cut it by accident. Level the surface. Smooth a little on the inside. Then round the edges. And now in the same order I file with a hand file. Flattening the place for the diamond. Check it out in profile so the ring is symmetrical and the same thickness. Remove the dust. I'll attach the stone on the polygel. Put a small amount on the ring and stretch the polygel on the surface with a brush dipped in alcohol. Place the stone on top and press it into polygel. I smooth the gel that has come out on all sides with a brush and rub all sides of the stone with the material. Cure for 60 seconds. On the base gel around the stone, I've decided to put some small rhinestones and caviar beads. Cure for 30 seconds. Then I'll apply a no-wipe top gel on top of the caviar beads and around the diamonds. Cure for 30 seconds. Finally, I apply the same top gel on the insides of the ring and cure for 30 seconds. Seal the top of the ring with top gel and also cure for 30 seconds. And here is the ring I got. The diamond's shine is amazing and gives a lot of shine of shades from deep blue to pink and yellow. Also, I did a small plain ring in the same technique. This ring perfectly complements my nails. Can be worn in everyday life in any situation. It is smooth and doesn't get caught on things. If my video was interesting and useful for you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be notified when I post a new video. Also subscribe to my Instagram page when you can find a lot of interesting nail designs. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. See you in the next DashaNailArt video.